Nikon Z6 review. Sony Alpha A3 has some serious competition. Teach reader verdict. Nikon certainly hasn't held back with the Z6, and any worries that it would miss the mark are dispelled as soon as you pick it up. Until now, we have had little hesitation in recommending Sony's Alpha A7 III if you were in the market for a well-spaced full-frame camera at around the $200 €200 price point. But the Nikon Z6 is in many ways the more compelling option. Pros: high resolution EVF, 12 fps burst shooting, familiar and refined handling, touchscreen interface, 4K video capture, 5-axis is system. Cons: XQD card format has limited support, limited dedicated lens range for now, limited buffer depth. Go to the page. We had to wait a little longer for the Nikon Z6 to arrive than the Nikon Z7 beat its this camera that perhaps has the broader appeal of Nikon's two full-frame mirrorless models, particularly among enthusiast photographers. Nikon is adopting a two-pronged strategy similar to that employed by Sony when it launched the original Alpha A7R and A7, with the Nikon Z6 and Z7 sharing the same design and a pretty much identical specs sheet, but with three notable differences: resolution, autofocus, and burst shooting speed. While the Z7, with its densely populated 45.7 MP sensor, is Nikon's high-resolution offering. The Z6 is marketed as more of an all-around camera. However, with Sony already stealing a camera with the brilliant Alpha A7 III, has Nikon turned up to the party a little late. Updated: Nikon released a firmware update for both the Z6 and Z7 in May, adding a number of improvements. The most important was the addition to IAF focusing, which now allows the camera to automatically detect a subject's eye to make attaining critical focus easier. 24.5 MP full frame CMOS sensor, all new lens mount, 5-axis in body image stabilization. As we just touched on, while the Z7 has a 45.7 MP resolution, the Nikon Z6 features a back illuminated 24.5 MP full frame sensor, which, while not offering quite the staggering resolving power of its sibling, delivers a pixel count that should satisfy most users. It also means the native ISO range is that bit border, running from ISO 100 to 51-200. The Z7's native ISO range is 64-25-600. This can be expected to 50 to 04-800, matching the Alpha A7 III. Like the Z7, the Z6 feature Nikon's New Zealand mount, with Nikon having dropped its long established mount for its new full frame mirrorless cameras. The mount opening is 11 mm width than the F mount at 55 mm, while the flank focal distance, the distance between the rear lens element and the sensor, is a very short 16 mm. Nikon believes the larger design and short flank distance will enable its lens engineers to design optics that supers current F-mount designed and make the most of the full-frame sensor, allowing a light to easily reach the extreme corners of the sensor to ensure even brightness across the frame.